electric cars are quiet. Okay, we mentioned earlier, electric cars do not have engines. So, no engine noise like you hear in internal combustion engine cars. Very smooth, no gear shifts. The loudest part you probably can hear are the tires touching the road. That's it. If you have a quiet car, that means it's not adding up to the noise pollution around. If you want to be technical about it, according to WHO, the healthy limit of noise pollution is 53 decibels.
And that is equivalent to an average home na tahimik or walang nag-uusap. Kasi yung 60 to 70 decibels, a normal conversation na yan ng tao. So 53 average home na tahimik.
And the stationary noise of an internal combustion engine car, so that means naka-start lang siya, hindi pa ito tumatakbo ha,
is
76 decibels.
taas, di ba? So that's like similar to vacuum cleaner, hair dryer, or yung flush ng toilet. And most of the time, if you listen to the engines, especially diesel engines, mas maingay pa sa hair dryer yan eh. So, ganon siya kaingay.
On the other hand, yung running noise ng electric vehicle or electric car
Is only 21 decibels or equivalent to a silent study room or library na walang maingay.
Imagine how quiet the roads can be if we all drive electric vehicles. Let's take a look at another benefit of an electric car. Benefit number 7. Electric cars are more convenient. When you go to a gas station,